dreaming of living in a tropical paradise in a brand new 5-bedroom home? I have the perfect spot for you. Welcome to Tamarindo Park number 69. This is Melanie Engel from Flamingo Beach Realty, the premier luxury brokerage here in this gorgeous and beautiful Guanacaste, Costa Rica. Today we are at one of my new exclusive listings. I cannot wait to show you. Please enjoy this beautiful property tour with us today. Welcome to Tamarindo Park number 69. This brand new residence is absolutely exquisite. It feels like complete luxury with the finishes that they've used. You've got teak ceilings, beautiful spaces, plenty of natural light, and your whole backyard is a jungle of flora and fauna. The kitchen is super beautiful and plenty of space. You've got two-tone cabinetry, dark on the bottom, light on the top, with this really beautiful white quartz. You've got brand new stainless steel appliances, and best of all, you've got plenty of space to entertain all your friends and family. The main home has an extra large terrace. You've got composite on the bottom for easy maintenance, wood teak ceilings, fans to keep you cool. You've got a barbecue and sink area. I would imagine you'd have a nice live edge Guanacaste table out here for dining outside, maybe like a couch and a sitting area over here. And to the right, there's a bedroom, and you have your own private garden there. The backyard feels very private, and you're surrounded by all this jungle. You've got two sitting areas at this pool. You've got stairs down here where you can relax. Here you can also get in and sit and enjoy jets on your back, and there's a long area to go swimming. These ones are my favorite. I love to cut them and have live flowers on my table. This is the first bedroom just to the left of the staircase. You've got these beautiful wood doors. Here, check out these closets. They're framed in wood, and this material allows for your clothes to breathe. You've got an ensuite bathroom with two sinks, and come check it out. Plenty of space with an air conditioning, a fan, and two glass walls with beautiful plants. Here is bedroom number 2 to the right of the stairs. It's identical to number 1. Beautiful plants, ensuite with double sinks, great closets, and this is the perfect place because it's brand new and it's waiting for your furniture. There's 2 more bedrooms upstairs. Let's go check them out. Here is bedroom 3. The bedrooms are such a good size. They have room for king beds. If you're at the treetop, you'll be able to see monkeys right from your bed. And the ensuite bathroom still has 2 sinks, and you've got the beautiful, gorgeous closet. And here is bedroom number 4. What I love most about these bedrooms on the 2nd floor is the details of the raised ceilings, and they've got plenty of natural light right at the treetops. You can see the birds and the monkeys and plenty of space. And something super special about this property, it comes with a guest house, a little casita. Here you've got a social area with a kitchenette and a separate bedroom and bathroom as well. This property comes with a secure covered carport. This is a great place to leave a car or a golf cart when you're not here. Tamarindo Park is a luxury gated community with 24-hour security. There are paths right from here directly to the beach and directly to Starbucks and where all the restaurants are. It has a future beach club that's happening, and it's going to be having a future sports center as well. Something that's really amazing about this property is the owner is willing to do owner financing. With 50% down, he will finance the property for you indefinitely so that you can make it affordable to own a property beautiful like this in Costa Rica. A short walk away from the home, you'll find this beautiful white sand beach called Playa Tamarindo. Tamarindo is known for the top tourist destination of the Gold Coast of Costa Rica. Here it's great for beach walks, swimming. It's known for its surfing. It's got the best sunsets, the best restaurants. Imagine having cocktails and watching the sun go down. If you want this amazing life to be yours, please check out my website, flamingobeachrealty.com, or give me a call on WhatsApp. I would love to talk to you. And be sure, subscribe below so you can watch more great videos like this. Have a wonderful day. Pura vida.